Hello, cookbook lovers. This is Carrie with the Cookbook Divas channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to look through Australia, which came out in June 2021. I've never looked through it except I did a quick cookbook flip through reel over on Instagram. We're going to get right into this giant cookbook by Ross Dobson from Faden. And I don't know anything about Australian food, really. I know about shrimp on the Barbie. So I'm curious to check this out. Table of contents, let's jump right in. Eggs and dairy, vegetables and salads, soups, fish and seafood, game and poultry, pork, beef and lamb, pies, tarts and quiches, pasta, noodles and rice, bread, buns and pancakes, biscuits and slices, lollies and sweets, cakes and pastries, desserts, jam, sauces and condiments, basics and drinks. They've got everything covered. This is really heavy to hold up, so I'm going to try and go through really fast so I'm not killing my arm, and I can't show you the whole cookbook. That's not fair to the author. Gorgeous. Off to a good start. This cookbook was on so many favorite lists of the year, and it got so much attention and press and great reviews, so I'm excited to check it out. I'm going to go through and read the introduction later, but that's a lot of reading. Whoa, pages and pages. Okay, I'm going to learn so much, aren't I? Wow, it keeps going. I'd like to get to a recipe at some point here. And I hear my dogs barking in the background. That means the mail's here. I don't want to edit them out. Lots of pictures. Okay, I want to get to the food part now. Hopefully. Oh, beautiful sunsets. This is like a travel log too. All right. Whew. Eggs and dairy. Now you can tell that this paper, this is not a glossy cookbook, and I'm glad because it would be even heavier if these... Okay, you know how I feel about pictures. So far, no picture, and there's 4 or 5 recipes. French onion dip, bacon and egg rolls with barbecue sauce, eggs Benny, and baked eggs. Oh! Curried eggs and smoked salmon frittata. Now, this picture doesn't tell me which is which, but I guess that's the frittata because it looks like one. That is a gorgeous photo. It makes me a little more cheered up that there weren't photos ahead of this. Ooh, and another gorgeous photo, a zucchini slice. I've never made a zucchini slice. I love this idea. Spinach and cheese cob, fried or grilled halloumi. I don't know what a cob is. I'm assuming they mean a dip. And now we're already in the vegetables and salad chapter, and I accidentally showed you that entire chapter. So we start off with no pictures. That makes me cranky. Fried potatoes, potato scallops, potato salad, potato gratin. So this is a very inclusive cookbook that's going to give you a wide overview of Australian cooking, including mashed pumpkin, creamed parsnips, cauliflower cheese. That sounds amazing. And now we get a photo of stir-fried native greens. No, it must be the one next to it. Chocos with parsley butter. Chocos. Okay. Tomato and onion bake. Roasted tomatoes. Okay. Gorgeous picture of Broken Hill slaw or Asian coleslaw. I'm not sure which the picture is of. Does it say? No. Okay. Excuse me. Avocado, mango, and nut salad. And avocado on toast recipe. Curried beet salad. A gorgeous picture of a Thai kangaroo salad. I want you to see that before I get out of this chapter, because I can't show you the whole book. Next chapter, soups. Couple pages with no recipes. Sad face. Okay, here is beef and vegetable soup. Gorgeous photo. And, ooh, this looks so good. Pea and ham soup or chicken and sweet corn soup. I guess that's one picture of each soup, maybe. Although they look pretty identical. That must be the chicken and sweet corn soup. And here is chicken noodle soup or seafood laksa. That must be chicken noodle soup. Okay, I'm a little confused why we're sharing 2 recipes on one page with just one photo. Okay, combination soup or short soup. Looks like they put a bunch of seafood in there. And now we're in the fish and seafood chapter. Let me just find you one good picture. Grilled surf fish, because the other recipe is fish cakes, which this is not. What else should we look at in the fish chapter? Ooh, this is pretty. A bugs with aioli? What? I'm not sure. Now we're in the game and poultry chapter. And here is a roast chicken dinner. I think almost every culture has one of those. Chicken parmy or chicken and apricot nectar. That must be the parmy. I made a parmesan dish last night. Another chicken. This one's barbecued. And Thai green chicken curry. Oh, I forgot there would be Thai influences. Okay, pork, beef and lamb. San choy bo, or pulled pork. And here is no, that's not pickled pork. Dogwood dog. Okay, well, here is Christmas glazed ham. It's beautiful. Hamburger with a lot. Mixed grill. That's, braised lamb shanks. Or Irish stew. That must be Irish stew. Now we're in the pies chapter. And quiches. Tuna pie. Family meat pie. Pie floater. Party pies. That must be party pies. Cute. Oh, this book is heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me find a couple. Oh, crab and salmon quiche. That would make my boyfriend so happy if I would cook that. I'm not sure I have the skill for that. Pasta, noodles, and rice. We all love those. Spaghetti with crab and chili. I was wondering how Australians would cook spaghetti. Here's a wholemeal walnut damper. I don't know what a damper is. Okay. Let's keep moving. Here is banana bread, or yes, banana bread. And here, ooh, this is pretty. Finger buns. Oh, this is pretty. Hot cross buns. And Anzac biscuits, because I don't think those are chocolate biscuits. Ooh, cute. Custard kisses. And what else should we look at here? Vanilla slice. I think they use slice when we would say bars. Oh, pretty. Passion fruit slice. Or marshmallow slice. And a white Christmas, or frogs in a pond, but that looks like Rice Krispie squares to me, so I'm confused. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Fairy bread. If you don't know what fairy bread is, look it up. It's really fun, and they serve it to children, but I'm an adult and I want to eat it too. Oh, this is a pretty picture of jelly cakes, but I have to skip ahead because I can't show you the whole book. But there's a beautiful passion fruit sponge cake. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And now we're into Baby Boomer chocolate cake. And something beautiful, poached pears or poached quince. And a gorgeous pavlova with stewed apples on top, I think. Baked rice pudding or golden syrup dumplings. That must be the golden syrup dumplings. And, oh, we're running out of photos. We're in the basics chapter. Okay. And then I skipped to the drinks chapter. There's no photos, and there's some more tourist photos, etc. Wow. There's a lot going on in this book. A lot of reading. Not enough photos, but the ones that were there were gorgeous. I just wish they were labeled. Pretty impressive cookbook. I know I'm going to learn a lot about Australia itself and Australian cuisine when I go back off camera and read through this. Thanks so much for watching this cookbook review and look through. You can see more of them at our blog, cookbookdivas.com. We post cookbook news and info to Facebook and Instagram, cookbook videos to YouTube, of course, and we have a podcast. Bye.